Hello, my lovely people, my amazing lovers. I'm here back again. It's your girl Monica Lobo aka Shine Your Shine. Hope everyone is shining their shine there. As I can see you all are shining to the glory of God. So, my lovely people, I don't bring another ogbonge tori. Better advice where they make person. They be like say they use charm. Yes, so better advice, go make you dey successful for life. Better advice fit make you dey successful for marriage. Better advice fit make your children become better person in the society. Better advice fit make your old age dey very wonderful. Better advice fit help you on how to save your money. So many things wey better advice dey do. But this better advice, do you know many of our people, they no dey take good advice. You understand? They no dey take good advice. And me, Monica, better advice, it really don't work for me. So I want share this maybe 15 or even reach. Okay, let me just say, let me share 15 points on advice that helped me in life. And if you also take am, although now advice wey many people usually no dey take, they rather go to juju ma or go pastor pray for me than to take good advice. If you take good advice, is equal to like life charm, una we believe in charm, or so. And good advice not they usually come only by parents. Say only your parent ain't go fit advice, because they see some parents said they don't get sense, they don't get good advice for math like that. You understand? Not be by age, not be by the. Sometimes good advice they come by experience. People we don't experience things in life. And good advice they also come from person we don't work for. You understand? Good advice they come from God also. And not be everybody na get am. But to they take advice from other people, it they help to make am in life. And the one weapon where you need in life to take make am na good advice. Yes, good advice is good. Me myself, it work for me too. I get few people where I also they take my good advice from. Take from here, I'll take from here, I'll take from here. I'll check them together. And yeah, it worked for me. And let me share. Okay, I just jot it down because I want to explain a bit by bit. Okay, the first one where I write for here say, take your time, make you know yourself. Many people don't know themselves. They feel grow until they will go die. They don't know themselves. It's very good when you take your time to know the kind person where you be, the kind thing where they vex you, the kind atmosphere where you they relax on, the kind thing where they make you they succeed, the kind thing where they make you they do better. You must take your time to know the kind person where you be. Me so Monica where you they see. At first also me too, I don't know the kind person where me be. You understand? I don't really know the kind person where me be. Me, I be they cry a lot before it for my life because I don't know the kind person where I be. Sometimes if I do good for person, that time don't say if the person can't be like say betray me, beat me, put, favor me, I'll come they cry because that time me I never know the kind person where me be. So many other things where me never read myself. And before also I be person wey not get patience at all. I dey very hurry. Even when I dey small pikin, my brother will say, now you they give no hurry in life. Now you hurry pass for life. Me, I not too understand myself. But when I can't really understand myself, say, no be by rush, now this life till they go. No be by, power, this life till they go. Now calculative and mastering and knowing who you be. Since when me tell know the kind person where me be, I tell you, some kind thing happen for my life. You would say na sham. No, take your time to know the kind person where you be. This video where I want to do, so if any number day where you don't understand at the end of the day, you feel call me. You know Mommy Monica number is +31 634 061924. Call me to ask for any advice. It's free. So my lovely people, number 2 where I still write for here be say many people too they do that, they too get that character to always they put blame on waiting on work on other people. People too quick to the blame and now this one cause now the system cause now because this one cause now where the bomb people cause now because I not quick get work now because I divorced now because the man where I married was not good now because my mother can't dey sick. People too they give excuse or na person where I follow waka na it cause or na people where they pursue me na it cause or na who not get worry for life na they feel say life too hard. So the second one where I go advise you be say no they blame anybody. If anything happen for your life, take am, look for solution rather. Like me, when something happen for my life, I know they blame person. Sometimes like some kind thing wey happen for my life sometime ago, people can't even they blame me, say how come you go come and you say I don't blame her, you always they blame yourself, because it go make me operate on myself better. Okay, take some kind blame. Nobody they carry you go prison put, but now for your own betterment. Instead of to blame others for anything wey not work for yourself, just look for the solution. Number 3 where they here I say, may you know they too focus on your goal. Even me, I felt they do that thing. When I say I want to achieve something, I know even they look here, boom, 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 boom. Like say now by that one, not be by that one. Because if maybe that they use and do parable, say person will cover a eye, make you not see enemy. Even if friend go come pass, you know go see am. Now so way it be when you put achievement, goal, target for ground where you want to do, you can't just focus, put eye for only that one. You know even can they socialize, you know even can they do so many other things where you like to do. You just put eye for that one, big. Many times, if you do that thing finish, you know still get joy, you know get happiness. If you still do that thing finish, go constantly be like say you fall back again, trying to come they fill up every area where you be known, come they look and all that and all that. That's why you see some people when they finish some kind go, they know they fit in to what they really like again. You can't be like say they be newcomer for that thing. Me, I go tell you say it's good when you get go. May you focus, but at the same time do it one after another, step by step. You understand? So even if you focus on that thing where you they do, you know yourself. That's why I put on for number 1. Say try to know yourself. Know what they make you relax. Know yourself, the kind of person where you be. Person like me, so I be person where be say if I put go for down, I they focus where, but at the same time, how just they do it. I love doing. I know just feel do like this, because at the end of the day, when I get that thing, I'll still look around. I know get joy. God forbid anything can happen when you almost dey close to that thing where you target. You can't be like say now you lose pass, because even before you reach there, you know even be the look here and look here. So our advice, focus, but let them be one after another. Not just close everything before you get your this thing. Another advice where I go advice will be number 4. As you get go for your life or anything where you want to do, start with whatever you can, with whatever you have. Do whatever you can. Do your best. You understand? Not do more than yourself. No. Not do more than yourself. I know one person where be say they come they laugh and say, not get ass so for very long time. You know? So when that person, this one amount, When that person can finally say he want build us, the person can be like say he hand jam some kind money like that. The person just go pull hand for 8 flat. Oh my God, you know, even the money where jam that time finish until I never still get the joy. So I will tell you, say, always work with what you have. Start with what you have. It no necessarily mean say because you late to start something, you want surprise anybody. No, you don't need to impress. We will get to that. Another thing again, where they keep person, where they keep people, where they know they to take advice to learn from. Now, assumption. People too they assume. Wetin you no see, no assume. Wetin you no know, no assume. It's good if you don't know some kind of thing, for you to just use your brain, say, now like this, now like this. Try to ask. Wetin person no know, if they ask. Okay? There, may you ask. It's better you know for sure that you assume, because sometimes assumption is not really good. Another one again, don't live to impress. Just like as I talk and just now say, start with whatever you have. No live your life say you want impress. If you dey live life to impress anybody, you know they good, you know they always turn out well. Either you go enter debt, or you go they follow gang wey no be your way of life, or you go they do things wey not supposed to be the kind thing wey you supposed to do. You feel even go put yourself for debt because you want to do more than yourself. So I will advise, always live the way that pleases you. If not to they impress people, some people just they can't just do normal. They can't sew their coat according to the side. They must do gang their leg around and nourish. It's not good, but this is the reason why some people know they take that advice. You advise them, do as you wish. They not go they must do more than themselves. If you can't they do more than yourself, now so you do you go they do more than who's supposed to help you. Many people don't use, because of impression, take drive people away for help them for life, where take come on for place way for help them, because they do like say I pass here, me why not today in there. So don't live to impress, it's not good. Number 7, where I get again, this one another big advice where people know they take. Why do you want people to treat you special when you know they treat people special? You know they respect people. You want people to respect you. You know they take your this one I beg. If people, all this advice where I give, so even if you not take all, try to look for the one where you know say you never really work on, and work on it for yourself. It will help you. Okay? Learn to respect others. Treat others the way you want to be treated, because sometimes the way you treat others is like karma. If you treat them nice, it will come back to you. If you treat them bad, it will also come back to you. It might not come the day where you treat them. It's like a karma. So please, if you know what you want to get, invest it now. Respecting people today, you will get it later. Invest it now. Treat others the way you want to be treated. Don't ignore your weakness. Yes. Okay? Some people dey wey be say, he know say he get place where he for weak. Like me now, I get places where he be say, I dey even chat and say this thing, I not go with this thing. You have to admit, you have to know your weakness, so that you will be able to work with it. Some people could just they do odunga. They don't get what they fear. They don't get anything where they worry. They no, life not be like that. You must have the things where be say, no be everything you for good. Know those things, and then when you know those things, still get to do with when you know yourself. You can't know what to be your weakness, so that you go feel know how to work with it. Be realistic also. It's very important. Some people are never realistic. They'll get 20 euro for pocket. They make budget of 400 euro. It's not possible. Then they'll come put eye say, yeah, I'll just call this, I'll just call. No, you don't make your plan out of people pockets. Avoid it and you will see great change in your life. If you have 20 euro and wait till you want to do na 80 euro, take your time. Work with whatever you have. Take time to save to it before you get that thing. None get 20 euro, go they make budget of 80 euro. Be realistic in everything that you are doing. Be realistic, go constantly be the weakness where I be just now. You know, say you know be person where no they feel avoid sleep. You be person where be say when 10 reach your eye, don't they do like this? Then you want go they do waiting, you know, say even one you need to struggle for. Please, that is realistic. Know what you are good for and go for it. What you are good for might not be what other people are doing that fetch them so much successfulness, but you must believe in your own. That is what you can. That is what you can. Okay? Do what is right and not what is easy. Oh my God. Many people also, they miss this great advice. They not the one doing. They want do easy thing to get something great. No, it's not possible. You have to do what is right to get something magnific, something great. In every area of your life, choose to do what is right and not what is easy. Sometimes on social media, to build good followers, good audience is very, very hard. It's not easy, but it's a right thing to do. Many people believe in just throw saga. A lot of people come. It's very easy, but it's not the right thing. So in every other area of your life, try to apply it. Me, myself, since where I start to focus on what is right and not what is easy, things change for me. Okay? They say knowledge is power only when you use it. When you don't use knowledge, you don't get power. So if all these things where they tell you since they don't make sense to you, you won't get any results. If you want to get a tangible result, you must listen to good advice. Good advice is good. Do you know that successful people, a lot of them have advisor that they pay for? Somebody like me, people can take me, say, come and advise me, and it can cost money. But look at me on social media, I'm doing it for free. And a lot of people, where they listen to me, where they really take on, they come with testimony, say their life has changed since they be using knowledge, applying it. If you don't apply it, you listen to Monica video, you don't listen to the sense where you know apply. You no go ever get the result. Sometimes if they confused to people when not they listen to me or apply with I they talk, they'll say, which one are they looking this woman where they speak pidgin English? My brother, my sister, remove your pride. Be realistic. No say, no be by English. 9% they get sense. Try to listen to Monica. Apply it also, because knowledge is power only when you apply it. This one also now something where I learn when I master myself. Like I say it in the first time. Say, take your time to know yourself. When I know myself, I can say, I talk more. I know the listening. So, I can't change her. Although my husband always they tell me, go see, you listen. You know the listening. You listen. You listen. You understand? So I can't really also apply to the listening more than to speak. You understand? These days, I listen more than I speak. And it has brought a great change to my life. I want you to apply it too, because when you apply knowledge, is when it becomes power. Don't forget that. The last and not the least, I don't just do everything finish now. Yeah. The last and not the least is life is not fair. A lot of people say, oh, they are so good. I don't know why people are not good to me. It's because life is not fair. Oh, I worked so hard. I don't know why I'm not the one enjoying like the other person. Because life is not fair. Oh my God. Like our Nollywood celebrity right now. She have only one child. Only one child is not supposed to die. Life is not fair. No, nobody can question life. Look at me. I was betrayed by someone I truly love. Someone I truly take like agbudiangbegbe. He betrayed me for nothing. Why? Because life is not fair. Life is not fair. I was so open. I was so nice. I got her back. Like seriously. In everything. Because life is not fair. She betrayed me. Yeah. That is life. Maybe you too. Time day where you take day nice to somebody, you love somebody, you do this. It kick you out. Life is not fair. Some of una don't help man. Una even get character pass some of us we get husband. Yes. I get friend that time where it be say, he go cook for husband, he go spread bed, he go do this, he go do that, he go do Jesus. Yet men only take her to bed. They don't want to keep her as a wife. Because why? Life is not fair. Sometimes you don't, what you give her is not, yeah, you can't understand life. But one thing for sure, at the end, you will be happy when you do what I talk just now, step by step with your life. And again, that's why don't focus on, oh, life is not fair. Oh, life is not fair. Oh, life is not fair. Don't focus on it. I'm just saying it for you to know. Okay? Good things happen to bad people. Bad things happen to good people. Sometimes that is life for you, but don't focus on it. Like me before also, I used to focus on the people that I help to help me back. But after some time, I get to discover and master myself to know that the people I actually help, I should never wait for them to help me back. So ever since then, I've been having a wonderful, peaceful life, because if I help, I just move on and I'm not waiting for them to help me. But most times when I don't even come to wait for them to help me, that is when it turned out to be a blessing, that they will still render help, one way or the other, favor to me. Okay, but that's dissatisfaction where I felt they get like, oh, this one again, I not gonna get some. I don't think if anybody still there now we go feel disappoint me. I really don't think so. That's why if somebody feel like say they disappoint me, now I would rather tell them you disappoint yourself, because nobody can disappoint me, because I've seen all and all, and I don't I see all, and I really take my time, pick life like beans. You understand? Nigeria, I think they pick beans, pick the tea one. Okay, and my most vital things advice I use in life now is no hurry in life, which is actually my name. Okay, no hurry in life, and I listen more, and I discover who I truly am. So I don't care so much about other things, and I'm just using those skills. I know the things that bring me joy. I know the things that usually not my thing. I know the thing where I go beyond boundaries. So it really they help me. So my lovely people, take your time, master yourself, know who you are, and start working with it. You will thank me later. Okay, this is usually the advice people ignore, they don't take, but if you apply it, thank me later. It's your girl, your forever Iyeke one on social media. I love you all so much, my people. My people, jealousy and hatred full everywhere. In short, I dey go just now for Facebook. E get one place where I go, where I see where somebody were just gossiping me in white paper. The person was using white pen to write for white paper. You know, so then you need to carry on like this to be able to see it. Yeah, you understand? Sometimes we go focus on the people we talk for our side, we blast us. We'll just ignore the people we know they talk. Sometimes those people we know they talk, so now they ignite those one where they make wah, 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 wah. You understand? So I just surprised, say I dey waka for street of Facebook. I see one faded presenter. The presenter is still there, but it just be like say he can't dey backyard, just faded. Nobody even there, you know. So the person was using white pen to write on white Fusca paper, and it was just my gossip. Okay, yeah, and immediately I prayed for myself because I know no be only one go dey out there we be like that, way they on I want to talk now low key, where they on low key hating. They might not be the type that come to live video to insult me. They might not be the type that showed that they are really angry of me or really jealous, because waiting she comment where the people come the answer and there now jealousy, pure jealousy. I don't know why these days some people still they feel say to have some kudi for Facebook, say na swear money, na bad money, na enemy money. Those type of talk, I call it jealousy talk. Yes, because people don't use a shower to make money. People marry white man where they know say they don't love, they only collect paper from that white man, carry pikin, live miserable life, depressed, frustrated, many because of money. Many don't hear their belly, carry drug, eaten because of money. Many they do different things. Look at one where they sleep with everybody because of money. Why is it that when people they work every now and then, and people will not call it this, that? Thank God say God not be human being. Now that one I mean they thank my God for his ass. May my God surprise all this my low-key enemy. I know now, I dey see you now, but I don't get on that time. You understand? Because I listen more than I speak now. Because I don't master myself. I know who I be now. I know the kind of thing where I no fit near because they know they good for me. And I know the kind of thing where no fit near me because they know they good for me. You understand? As soon as I keep hating, now so God go make men and women they hate now, because I've done you guys nothing. I've done you guys nothing. Una they sleep now. This is 1 o'clock midnight, early morning. Okay, I still dey here. I know how many times I try to shoot this video. I don't start where I'll stop her. I don't start where I'll stop her. You know, it's not easy. Some people where they do all this type of upload video, that they cut, that they edit. My own are straight up. Make sure say no mistake. It's not easy. And if you not call this my own, hard work, we need to pay one day. All your hard work, no go still pay for you. Okay? Thank you so much, my lovely fans. May God continue to bless you. Everyone that is sick among us, be strengthened, be strong. Please take lime and tea. Anyone that is passing through challenges right now, in short, I'm feeling it. I love you, my lady. Be strong. Always, the Lord is your strength. In Jesus' name. Those who lose one lover or the other, loved ones, may God give you strength to bear the loss. Those who just newly born, congratulations to all of you. And many of us, we know they expect all those things, but expect other good things. May God Almighty bring it to pass in our life, that only celebration will be permitted in our life. Up Monica team. Winners can. God bless you. Bye.